Hi everybody, today we're going to learn how to make compost tea. I've always used other fertilizers for my vegetable garden, but this year I decided to try something new. A friend of mine came over and gave me a little recipe for something called compost tea. The things that you need to buy and have to make the compost tea is you need a 5-gallon plastic bucket, you need a air pump that you can find at a fish store or other stores, so that air is being put into the water. You need to purchase a bag of Alaskan Hummus Soil Amendment, 100% organic, and you'll be placing 4 cups of that into your mixture. You'll also be putting in lushish Plus. The lushish Plus, you'll be putting in 80 milliliters, which you use your little small cup to measure. The other ingredients that need to be added is the Compost Tea catalyst, which helps makes everything activate. And the last item is the ZHO, which is used to stimulate the roots. Oh, excuse me, there's one other thing we do add, organic molasses. This gives a wonderful addition to the product. So what you do is you measure out the amount that you need to go into the tea, and you'll notice that there's a lot of bubbling, which is very important because you're putting air into the water, and you're going to put in 3 blue spoonfuls. Okay, so you take your 4 cups of organic material and you throw that in with your 3 blue teaspoons of the catalyst, and then you add half of the root stimulant in the yellow plastic spoon. Well, about that much. This helps to stimulate the roots for a good, strong, healthy plant. And then you put in, this is sort of the messy part, you put in 20 milliliters of molasses, which we'll show you right here. You've got your 20 milliliters, and we're going to drop that here into the bubbling mixture. This mixture is going to bubble for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we're going to turn off the pump, and we're going to use the tea within the 12 hours after we've turned the pump off. So it's very important, you must let the tea cook for 24 hours here, and you must use it within the first 12 hours of finishing it. When you use it, you use about a cup per plant. My tomato plants have become huge from this, which you'll see at the end of this video. Now we have the lushish Plus. We need 80 milliliters of this. So now the lushish, we're going to add 80 milliliters. So we've got 30, 60, and 80. I try to rinse it off in the water to get every piece in there. And then I like to take a stick and just stir it up just a little bit. Also, it might be helpful for you to see at the end here, this is what's at the pump's end, putting in the air into the water. The pump is an Eco Air 4 air pump, but I believe it's a little bit too weak, and it would be much better to have a pump a little stronger than this one. You're going to be creating a nice foamy top here, and that's what you're looking for in your finished product.
Nice pump.
You want to place this on your plants once a week, and you'll see the vegetation will just start to grow huge. It will give green, lush plants. And if you take a little peek, you'll see what those tomatoes look like. Before that, they were struggling along. As soon as I started the tea, they grew luscious and vibrant. Check it out.
hefty tomato plants here.